No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I will start with Inception because it is a high information popular movie with distinctive year, rating, genres, cast, and director. I am accepting the cookie banner, selecting the drop-down result, and then clicking the guess button as required. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther off with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther off with arrow down, so the target rating is lower than 8.8. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi show no overlap. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, released after 2012, rated below about 8.3, not action, adventure, sci-fi, and not involving those listed cast or director. Guess title was Inception, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010 and rated lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5, with no overlap on action, adventure, sci-fi, listed Inception actors or Christopher Nolan. I will guess Get Out, a newer movie with different genres and a lower rating to test horror, mystery, and thriller plus 2017 and 7.8. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther off with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2017. Rating is farther off with arrow down, so the target rating is lower than 7.8. Genres horror, mystery, and thriller show no overlap. Actors Daniel Kaluuya, Allison Williams, and Bradley Whitford show no overlap. Director Jordan Peele shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, released after 2019, rated below about 7.3, not action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, thriller, and not involving the listed Inception or Get Out people. Guess title was Get Out, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest feedback says the target is newer than 2017 and has a lower rating than 7.8, with no overlap for horror, mystery, thriller, Daniel Kaluuya, Allison Williams, Bradley Whitford, or Jordan Peele. Earlier feedback also excluded action, adventure, sci-fi, Inception actors, and Christopher Nolan. I will guess Barbie to test a 2023 low-rated movie and possible comedy or fantasy overlap while avoiding repeating Get Out. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with arrow up, so the target is within 2 years of 2023 and newer, likely 2024 or 2025. Rating is yellow with arrow down, so the target rating is within 0.5 of 6.8 and lower, likely 6.3 to 6.7. Genres adventure, comedy, and fantasy appear gray with no overlap. Actors Margot Robbie, Ryan Gosling, and Issa Rae show no overlap. Director Greta Gerwig shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, newer than 2023 but within 2 years. Rating slightly lower than 6.8, not adventure, comedy, fantasy, horror, mystery, thriller, action, or sci-fi, and no overlap with listed Barbie people. Guess title was Barbie, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2023 within 2 years, likely 2024 or 2025, with rating lower than 6.8 but within 0.5, about 6.3 to 6.7. Current exclusions include action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, thriller, comedy, and fantasy, plus the listed casts and directors. I will guess it ends with us because it is a 2024 movie rated around 6.4 with drama and romance, testing a strong fit to the year and rating constraints. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is green, so the target is exactly 2024. Rating is yellow with arrow up, so the target rating is within 0.5 of 6.4 and higher, likely 6.5 to 6.9. Genres show drama as overlapping green and romance as grayish, no overlap. Actors Blake Lively, Justin Baldoni, and Jenny Slate show no overlap, and director Justin Baldoni shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a 2024 movie, rating about 6.5 to 6.9, includes drama, does not include romance, not prior excluded genres, and no overlap with It Ends With Us cast or director. Guess title was It Ends With Us, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The target is exactly a 2024 movie, rating higher than 6.4 but within 0.5, includes drama and excludes romance plus action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, thriller, comedy, and fantasy. I will try small things like these because it is a 2024 drama with a rating around 6.8 and likely tests history plus a different cast and director. I am using enter only to commit the highlighted drop-down row, then clicking the guess button to submit. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is green, so the target is exactly 2024. Rating appears yellow with arrow down, so the target rating is within 0.5 of small things like these but lower than about 7.0. Genre drama is overlapping green, no other genre overlap is visible. Actors Cillian Murphy, Eileen Walsh, and Emily Watson show no overlap, and the director does not appear to overlap. Constraints: target is a 2024 movie, rating roughly 6.5 to 6.9, includes drama, excludes romance and the prior excluded genres, and does not use the visible small things like these cast or director. Guest title with small things like these, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest row shows exact year 2024 and rating 6.8 with a down arrow, combined with it ends with a 6.4 up, so the target is a 2024 movie rated about 6.5 to 6.7. Drama overlaps, while history and romance do not, and prior rows excluded action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, thriller, comedy, and fantasy. I will try The Last Showgirl because it is a 2024 drama around 6.5 with different cast and director, and I am scrolling back to the search area before selecting and submitting. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with arrow down, so the target is older than 2025 but within 2 years, consistent with 2024. Rating is yellow with arrow up, so the target rating is higher than 6.5 but within 0.5, likely about 6.6 to 7.0. Genre drama overlaps green, actors Pamela Anderson, Brenda Song, and Kieran Shipka show no overlap, and director Gia Coppola shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, likely exactly 2024 from prior green year, rating above 6.5 and around the high 6s, includes trauma, excludes romance and many prior genre tests, and does not use The Last Showgirl cast or director. Guest title with The Last Showgirl, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The newest row shows movie, year 2025 with a down arrow, but prior exact year feedback fixes the target at 2024, and rating 6.5 with an up arrow means the target is higher than 6.5 but within 0.5. Drama overlaps while many broad genres are excluded, so I will test a 2024 drama in the high 6s with biography or history via The Apprentice. I will select its drop-down row and then click the guess button to register it. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is green, so the target is exactly 2024. Rating is yellow with arrow down, so the target rating is within 0.5 of 7.1 and lower, likely 6.6 to 7.0. Genre drama overlaps green, while biography and history are gray/no overlap. Actors Sebastian Stan, Jeremy Strong, and Martin Donovan show no overlap, and director Ali Abazi shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a 2024 movie, rating in the high 6s below 7.1, includes drama, does not include biography or history, and avoids the listed Apprentice cast and director. Guest title was The Apprentice, avoid repeating it. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The newest feedback confirms an exact 2024 movie with drama overlap, biography, and history not on target, and rating lower than 7.1 but within 0.5, likely 6.6 to 7.0. Prior rows exclude romance, comedy, fantasy, action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, and thriller, so a 2024 per drama in the high 6s is a strong fit. I will guess The Room Next Door, which is a 2024 drama around 6.8 with a different cast and director, then click the guess button. Type card is red. Guess medium was TV series, so target medium equals movie. Year is red/farther with arrow up from 2012, so the target is newer, consistent with prior exact 2024. Rating is red/farther with arrow down from 8.6, so the target rating is much lower, still in the high 6s from prior rows. Genre drama overlaps green. Actors Jeff Daniels, Emily Mortimer, and John Gallagher Jr. show no overlap. Directors Alan Powell and Greg Mottola show no overlap. Constraints: target is a 2024 movie, includes drama, rating roughly 6.6 to 7.0, includes revealed actor Jodie Comer, and is not The Newsroom. Type card is red on the latest row, so target medium equals movie because the last guess was a TV series. The target is newer than 2012 and lower than 8.6, with prior rows fixing it as a 2024 movie in a high 6 rating range. Drama overlaps and the revealed actor is Jodie Comer. A 2024 drama with Jodie Comer, rating about 6.7 and no excluded romance, biography, history, comedy, action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, thriller, or fantasy fit is The Bike Riders. I will carefully type Bike Riders, select the matching drop-down row, then click the guess button. Nice, the answer was The Bike Riders, and it took 9 guesses. The key clues were locking in a 2024 movie with a 6.6 rating and drama overlap, then the reveal actor Jodie Comer pointed straight toward it.